another video. Oh, it's a sad one. Well, today we are doing the dough. And we already got it set up. So we're just going to sit down our... I got my and this doll what I got for Christmas sing. Hold up the tree, you are the trees. And keep on playing different ones. So. And it got little headphones at the back. And then we're gonna get set up and we're gonna explain what this is all about. So we got the dough, what fell. They got first. Let's never mind. We got blue dough, pink dough, like darkest pink, and light pink, and green dough, and yellow dough. And we already setted all of this up. And these are all the cups what it came with. And it has 2 spoons. And have little things so you can add it to. Spoons are like for eating, but we're not actually going to eat it because we've made our dough. So let's jump right in. The cups. And we're going to get so open it from the packet. So, okay, we have to set this up here. So we got yellow dough. That's the first one. And we got green dough. We got dark pink. And I love pink and light blue. So, and this is the second light pink. That's dark and that's light pink. And I love it so much! I'm a princess, of course. And it's pink. I already know I said that in the first place. And lightest blue.
Who's that next to you?
Who? Jojo. Jojo's lovely friend, Ickle Pickle.
Ickle Pickle.
Hello, my name's Little Pickle. That was totally easy. No. So we're gonna make an ice cream. And let's jump right in. First we take this off and we take a dough and I'm gonna ping it. Because it's supposed to be an ice cream. I know ice cream is supposed to be white, but we're gonna do strawberry. And we're gonna do dark dough. The lid is a little bit hard actually. But it's really soft, it actually bends. Hope I don't break none of them stuff. It's so hard. Oh, I got it. No, I'm fine. The dough smells a little bit. Let's do this. And the dough is really small. The dough is so small. See? It's like marshmallows. It feels like marshmallows. So soft. Now we're gonna take some. What did that thing go? Where did it go? Oh, there. We're gonna take some so it can fit in. We're gonna stick it in. We're gonna stick the pink dough in. not that much, because we're gonna might lose this pink for something else. We're gonna put it in the cup. Jojo's a little bit noisy. I'm gonna pick a cup from here, right here. We might lose one of these cups, and I'm gonna lose this one. You just put them under there. It even says dough. So we're gonna put this there, and we put this in here, and then we squeeze it, and then it comes out. Ugh. We need more pink. We'll have to mix up the colors, but I ain't doing it because it might look horrible. So we're gonna add a little bit more pink. We're gonna use some of these for some of these
Oh my God.
decorations. We don't need to show you. You could do it on the next video.
Okay.
You know that. I'm gonna add the whole thing. I'm really sorry. I want to add some. I'm gonna just keep a little bit. Gonna add some like this. And then we squeeze more out.
Yeah, bye.
Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I love it. That's what I got for Christmas.
I thought you already told us that.
We're gonna
Look
take
over
the
here.
leftovers.
Then the thing
There,
where you
don't
put
touch
that
it.
on that.
Please
and
don't
just
do
mix it on.
that. I forgot.
About these
I
bits.
forgot. No,
Them
no,
and
stop.
them.
I forgot. You're supposed to do this, and then you're supposed to bring this yellow thing, and then you're supposed to push it like that, so it can come up. But I pushed it like that. So now because we got that, we're gonna take
The cup.
some
But
of
you're
it,
going to pull it back.
and we're gonna make it prettier. Because when it came out, it looks a little bit.
Why don't you make an ice cream?
Yeah, this is ice cream. See?
About the
Right?
strawberry on top.
Yeah, this is just the thing that came out with it.
Okay,
This
do another
looks
one.
little than that.
So we're gonna add
Use
some little decorations in
What
it.
about this?
It looks really big.
Decorations.
Yes, no, don't. Not.
Let's decorate.
No, they don't. You don't put them.
Yes, look over there. They do.
Put them there.
Wait, I'm not done.
Put
Okay,
them there.
So
Put them there.
put where?
Where they're meant to be.
Oh, in an order.
In order.
Like this.
Oh, yeah, but we had to add the decorations to it. Let's add, we already
Sparkle.
opened this. This is going to just be there for the leftovers if you want. We're going to open blue. Why are you opening my phone? Why? Oh, yeah,
Sprinkles up my
Shh, I'm trying to make my video.
So,
We're going to take this. I can see the
Talk to
light
them,
blue.
Leo.
I am talking to them.
I got
Same like marshmallow.
I'm gonna do
So soft.
It's a big
It got
marshmallow
too much
challenge
liquid
over
in
there.
it. It's like faking away. Oh, I just made something. So we're gonna take some of this.
What are you making? A surprise. Blueberry.
Oh, you're gonna put them in there.
Blueberry. Take that.
Oh my gosh, I just took the. It's so thin. How are you gonna?
Oh my gosh, it's like usual.
You have to take this out slowly.
I know how to.
I'm gonna take this out. Oh my gosh, I'm ruining it. Oh my gosh, that looks terrible.
No, looks okay.
That looks okay.
On top.
Okay,
On
add
the
it.
top.
Why not?
Yes.
Why don't you put strawberry on top?
Yeah, but we'll
That can be on the side.
Oh yeah, but oh no, it's
Because
stuck.
your favourite colour is pink.
Oh, yeah.
And don't mix them that much.
Look, they do. You're allowed to mix them like this,
Mhm.
but don't actually mix them actually together.
I
So we're gonna add more decorations. We're gonna open all of them. We open blue, pink. Take the lids off.
the next one. That's the next toy. Hey.
Take yellow. Take that
I
out.
think Joe likes it.
Do a fruit bowl ice cream as well On that fruit bowl?
Yeah, the cups are like.
Yeah, but how do we get that big one?
It's okay, you got us.
Do you get that for your real one? What are you doing now?
I'm opening them still.
The pink one. That's the dark pink one.
No, that's light.
Wait,
This one.
where's the other pink? Look at that compared to that one. Which one's light? Actually, that's purple. That's purple.
JJ, why you?
You finished the first one? Let's have a look at the first one. Put it
We
in
have
front.
to take this. This is stuck. I'm gonna get it.
Leo, you know
It's actually stuck.
you can't smash it. Oh, pimple.
I'm gonna smash it up. You done that? Oh my gosh.
Oi! That's not fair.
Oh my gosh, I'm taking it out. So we made another decoration. We have to quickly make more. Okay, this time it's gonna be
Oi, 4 seconds.
half yellow. Half yellow. Half yellow. Okay, gonna squash that in. Half yellow. Let's pour that in and squash it. And then add blue. You can join the ride. Oh, the wrong one. Gonna add blue. Wiggle the worm in. And then pink. I'm like nearly adding all the colours. And then we're gonna put this, and then we're gonna add one of these cups, and then I'm gonna lose this
do
one.
this time.
Judy, do it. Yeah.
Use that one so you can see all the colours.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we can see all the colours in that one.
So this colour is
I love
pink.
it.
No, you don't have to
Pinky,
touch it. Just leave it.
This was
JJ,
purple.
Purple.
JJ, stop.
This is
JJ,
blue.
Blue.
JJ,
This is
Yellow.
That's green. That's
Green. Okay.
pause it quickly, and it goes yellow. See, it mixed up the colours. Oh my god.
I don't think it's lovely. You did.
Okay. This is so pretty. We're gonna do that. Oh. Take some all of these, and we're gonna add the purple, a little bit of purple. I think this is actually purple. Oh, my baby boy.
I can't see.
Oh, the whole time I had it this up away. So, oh, forgot. Do this. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna just make sure I squeeze on that side. Oh my gosh. Gonna take
Pink
that out.
ice cream. Put it right there. Let's have a look at
Yes.
it. Mmm.
Look.
Mm-hmm.
Even look.
Oh my god, what is that?
It's all the colours.
Wow, that looks
I'm
awesome.
gonna add the hot what I made and put up.
You're going to put the heart on? Oh. Let's have a look at that, what she's done.
And then because I have
So what is that?
strawberry,
Blueberry.
with these.
Oh gosh.
Yes.
And then that one is a...
This time I'm mixing like nearly all.
Oh god, sorry, Leah.
You're gonna
Oh,
mess up all
can you put it back up for me?
Wait, I need to quickly.
Hello.
Okay, I'm gonna put this.
These are awesome, awesome, awesome.
We have to add the blue.
I'm getting hungry. Are you, Jen? Oh, I'm hungry. I'm getting hungry.
We're gonna add all of these.
Well, we had to make these for
I think...
Look.
Oh my god. What colour's that? Minty.
Purple,
Minty
green.
ice cream.
Oh,
And...
Oh my god.
Strawberry. Oh wow.
This game is awesome.
It's not a game. I think it's a toy.
Oh my gosh, I just squashed it.
Let's have a look. Free.
And we're gonna quickly add little stuff in it. Oh, we don't need all the names there. There's some lovely stuff at the back here. I need to make more.
I see a shell.
Wait, one more. I need to decorate that.
Quickly.
Yeah.
30 seconds.
3 seconds. Oh no! We're running out of time. Oh no!
Yeah.
When will we do the marshmallows?
Wait, this is for our YouTubers. So, guys, so there's few things because it's nearly the end of this channel. And by just saying that, if you check all our channels out, there will be a new thing on Minty Bubblegum and Galaxy M. And on Joker's channel. Bye! Hope you enjoy my ice creams. Oh, look, spoons. Let's add them in. We're going to add a big to this and a big one for this. Sorry, but see you later, guys.